This is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can check your mobile phone number on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings. Then you can either go and enter the About Phone category, go for the detailed info and specs, and then open the status page. And at the status basic info section, you can find both phone number 1 and phone number 2. Or you can also, from the main settings menu, enter the SIM cards and mobile networks preferences. And as you can see, the respective phone numbers are being displayed right below the SIM card names that they belong to. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.